Are you disabled and unable to work and wondering how to get Social Security disability benefits? My name is Caitlin Wildowner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. Today, we're going to briefly cover what to expect in a Social Security disability case and what the timeline might look like. Initial application stage. You want to submit your SSDI or SSI application. That's the first step. The Social Security Administration will begin to review your application, medical evidence, and work history to determine your eligibility for benefits once you've submitted the initial SSDI or SSI application. The processing timeframe for initial applications can vary, but it typically takes at least several months to receive a decision. If your SSDI application is denied, you typically have 60 days plus an additional 5 days for mailing from the date of the denial to request a reconsideration. During the reconsideration stage, a different Social Security Administration examiner will again review your application and any additional evidence that you provide. Reconsideration processing timelines can also vary, but it generally takes, again, at least a few months to receive a decision at that time frame. If your SSDI or SSI claim is denied at reconsideration, you have, again, 60 days plus an additional 5 days for mailing to request a hearing before an administrative law judge. Prior to the hearing, you and your representative, if you have one, will gather and present evidence to support your claim for disability benefits. The hearing typically takes place within a few months to over a year after your hearing request, depending on your specific hearing office's backlog. After the hearing, the administrative law judge will issue a written decision, which may take an additional few months to be received. If the administrative law judge denies your claim, you can request a review by the Social Security Administration's Appeals Council. If the Appeals Council denies your request for review, you may appeal to a federal district court within a certain time frame. Please note that the timeline for SSDI and SSI cases, applications, and appeals vary widely depending on factors such as the complexity of your case, the availability of your medical evidence, and the workload of the Social Security Administration's offices and hearing offices. It's essential that you are as patient as possible throughout the process and stay informed about the status of your claim. If you need specific information about your case, it's best to contact the Social Security Administration directly or seek assistance from a qualified Social Security disability attorney. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.